everyone, it's Kashidi and I've decided to start doing videos on adulting. So I am going to be doing an unboxing today of this cordless chainsaw that I bought off of Amazon. I have a dead tree in my front yard that keeps having pieces fall off of it. Every time there are strong storms and there's like a really big piece that's too thick to put to the side of the road per these city regulations, so I have to cut it. And I certainly wasn't about to get an axe and be out there axing away. So I bought this chainsaw. It is handheld, and let's see, this is the main part. And you see the little chainsaw part. And yeah, hopefully that works out well. I will let you all know how it goes. So basically, let me take this back off. Safety cover, chainsaw. It came with 2 batteries and a charger, and you just slide the battery in like so. And then you have to hold on to this little button, and so I'm just gonna pop the battery out again since I'm not gonna be using it right now. Well, no, I'm just gonna put this to the side. So we have that piece. It came with little gloves. This is the second battery, the charger, a replacement chain came in this little box, and a little bottle, because apparently you're supposed to oil your chainsaw every now and then. So yeah, this should be fun. I like power tools. And we'll see how it goes. So I'll be back. So, update on the mini chainsaw. It works very well. It cut everything that I needed it to cut. It did get a little jammed at one point from the sawdust, like getting caught up in this part. So you just turn this little thing and you can empty it out, clean it out. But yeah, I like it. I probably will be cutting down random branches just because I have it. So the only thing that I would say is that the battery does not last super long. However, they send you 2. So you can charge one, take one, go saw stuff, and then come back when that one runs out of battery and just switch them out. And they charge pretty fast. I think I went through 2 or 3 charges in the 2 or 3 hours that I was doing stuff outside, cutting down bushes and branches and whatnot. So I like it. I'm gonna link it in my bio in case anybody's interested. Do it at your own risk and make sure you use protective equipment, But yeah, that's it for today's episode of Adulting Around the House. Don't forget to share and subscribe.